The Vision Scientific VS-5FZ-IFR07 offers a simulfocal trinocular head that makes it easy to view specimens while simultaneously capturing images on a camera or monitor, which is ideal for documentation and teaching. Its wide zoom range from approximately 0.7 times to 4.5 times, expandable with auxiliary lenses to very high magnifications, delivers sharp, parfocal images across a generous field of view for both coarse inspection and fine detail work. The double-arm boom stand provides excellent reach and stability, allowing you to position the microscope smoothly over large or awkward samples without the base feeling wobbly. A solid steel tabletop base and heavy-duty rack and pinion focusing system give the instrument a reassuringly sturdy feel and precise control, which is especially valuable during delicate industrial or laboratory tasks. The adjustable interpupillary distance and individual diopter controls help different users quickly achieve a comfortable, well-balanced view, reducing eye strain during long observation sessions. The 144 light-emitting diode ring light with adjustable brightness produces cool, even illumination that avoids heating your specimens and lasts far longer than older bulb-based lighting systems.